Hi, this is Maganathan. I'm working as a mechanical engineer in Spiro Special Project Limited. Now I'm going to explain the concept. Fabrication and performance analysis of solar water heater with using porous medium and agitator. The aim of the present study is to improve the thermal performance of flat plate solar collector using a cheap cost energy absorbing materials. The present work focuses on the process of energy conversion from the collector to the working fluid. Hence the system follows passive solar system, so the circulation of water will be natural. This is experimentally accomplished by using agitator in the riser tube, packing of collector's surface with porous medium such as pebblestone. This basic purpose of agitator in the riser tube is to improve heat transfer. Packing of collector surface with pebblestone is for longer heat retention and enhanced heat captured respectively. In this project, temperature of water is being measured with the different combinations such as with the agitator, pebblestone is measured, and also combination of both agitator and pebblestone is also measured. It's a two-dimensional drawing of this project. The system has a storage tank to store the hot water, and then this one is a panel, full panel flat plate collector, and it has a agitator, and then porous medium. It will be filled with porous medium. Here we have a water inlet and a water outlet. Actually, this one is the riser tubes. Right, riser tubes are made with copper tubes actually, and inside these tubes we have a agitator, so that the temperature distribution will be very effective in it because of the agitator. And then the porous medium is nothing but pebble stones as well as stainless steel chips, which helps to retain the heat for longer time. So the inlet water will be passed through the riser tube, and in the agitator, because of agitator, the agitation will be taken place, and then after the agitation and after the heat absorption from the pebblestone and direct sunlight, that hot water will be stored in the storage tank. This is how this project works.